Sa video ngayon, i-compare natin ang dalawang sikat na email marketing platforms, ang Flodesk at ConvertKit. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or someone looking to enhance your email marketing strategy, makakatulong to help you make an informed decision. Simulan natin sa key features. Pagdating sa pagpili ng right email marketing platform, understanding the key features and how they align with your business goals is essential. Flodesk and ConvertKit ay parehas na powerful tools, but they cater to very different needs and type of users. User interface at usability. Simulan natin sa Flodesk. Kilala ang Flodesk for its clean, minimalistic design and incredible user interface. Yung drag-and-drop email builder nila ay intuitive, making it really easy to create stunning emails without any designer or coding experience. Dahil sa simpleng setup na to, sobrang appealing ang Flodesk for creatives, bloggers at small business owners na gusto ng maganda at easy-to-use na platform. Dito naman tayo sa ConvertKit. User-friendly din ang ConvertKit pero iba ang focus nito. Ang interface niya ay functional at straightforward, lalo na for content creators like bloggers, podcasters, at YouTubers. ConvertKit's visual automation builder is one of its standout features, allowing you to create complex workflows with ease. Kahit hindi ito visually appealing like Flodesk, sobrang efficient ito, lalo na sa pag-manage ng subscribers at pag-setup ng advanced automations. Pagdating sa visual appeal at ease of use, panalo talaga ang Flodesk, especially for those who prioritize design. Sa kabilang banda, ConvertKit wins in functionality and workflow efficiency, making it ideal for content creators who need more robust tools. Design at customizations. Simulan natin sa Flodesk. Flodesk excels in providing beautifully designed templates that are easy to customize. Meron itong iba't ibang pre-designed templates you can adjust to match your brand's look. At dahil sa drag-and-drop editor nila, you can easily change colors, fonts, and images, making it simple to create on-brand emails quickly and efficiently. Ngayon sa ConvertKit, iba ang approach ng ConvertKit. Mas focus sila sa functionality kaysa sa design. Mas basic ang email editor nila, offering fewer design options and placing a greater emphasis on plain text emails. Pero okay din to para sa content creators na mas priority ang message delivery at simplicity over visual aesthetics. ConvertKit's customization strength lies in its ability to segment your audience and personalize content based on subscriber behavior. Ngayon, let's compare the functionality between the two. Ang Flodesk ay may basic pero effective na functionality, particularly in creating and sending emails. Meron itong essential features at tagging segment ng subscribers, which are easy to use but somewhat limited compared sa ConvertKit. Isa sa standout features ng Flodesk is the ability to automatically schedule emails based on the best time of the day for engagement. Sobrang helpful nito for users na gustong i-optimize ang open rates without having to analyze past data manually. Pumunta tayo sa ConvertKit. ConvertKit excels pagdating sa functionality, lalo na for content creators who need more advanced tools to manage their audience. May detailed tagging at segment ito, making it really easy to create personalized email experiences. Mas advanced din ang automation workflows ng ConvertKit compared sa Flodesk, allowing users to set up complex sequences that adapt based on subscriber actions. Additionally, may unique features ang ConvertKit like link triggers, which allows you to tag subscribers based on their interactions with your emails. ConvertKit wins in the functionality category dahil sa advanced automation, tagging, at segment capabilities nito. Automation and integration. Simulan natin sa Flodesk. Ang Flodesk ay may basic automation features na ideal for simple workflows like welcome series or basic nurturing campaigns. Madali lang gamitin ng visual workflow builder but lacks the depth of more advanced platforms. Ang Flodesk ay nag-i-integrate din sa popular tools like Shopify at Instagram, but its integration capabilities are more limited compared to ConvertKit. Dito naman tayo sa ConvertKit. ConvertKit is known for its powerful automation features, kaya itong go-to choice ng content creators na gustong mag-build ng solid relationships with their audience. The platform visual builder allows for complex workflows such as tagging subscribers on their behavior, automatically sending targeted sequences, and adapting context based on subscriber actions. Plus, ang ConvertKit ay may extensive integration capabilities connecting seamlessly with tools like WordPress, Shopify, Teachable, and more. Ngayon, on to reporting. Simulan natin sa Flodesk. Ang Flodesk ay may reporting features na nagbibigay ng control like open rates, click rates, at subscriber growth. User-friendly ang reporting ng platform, presenting data in a clean and accessible format. When it covers the basics, Flodesk reporting capabilities are somewhat limited for users who need deeper insights sa kanilang campaigns. Sa ConvertKit, mas comprehensive ang reporting tools. Not only track open and click rates but also overall performance of automations and forms. Ang reporting features ng platform provide a clear picture of how subscribers are interacting with your content, making it a lot easier to refine your strategy. Ngayon sa email deliverability, simulan natin sa Flodesk. Generally, maganda ang performance ng Flodesk pagdating sa deliverability, pero hindi ito as robust ng ConvertKit. While many users report good results, these are some instances where emails may not consistently land in the primary box. Punta naman tayo sa ConvertKit. ConvertKit is known for its strong email deliverability rates, which is crucial for ensuring that your emails reach your subscribers. In a test where emails were sent from both platforms, consistent na mas better ang performance ng ConvertKit pagdating sa open at click rates, making it reliable choice for users who prioritize deliverability. Sa pricing naman tayo. Ang Flodesk ay may flat pricing na $38 per month kasama na ang unlimited emails at subscribers. This simplicity is one of Flodesk's most attractive features as it eliminates the worry of escalating costs as your list grows. For users who prefer predictable flat rate, ang pricing ng Flodesk ay hard to beat. Para makakuha ng free trial of the paid plans of Flodesk, i-click mo yung link sa description to get started. Pag-click mo sa link, hihingin sa'yo na ilagay ang email address at password mo. Flodesk will also ask for some basic information about your business such as business name and industry. Makakatulong to para personalize ang experience mo at makakuha ng templates at tips na swak sa'yo. Moving on to ConvertKit, ang ConvertKit ay may tiered pricing structure which provides flexibility pero medyo mas mahal depending on the features you need at the size of your contact list. Start tayo sa free plan. May free plan ng ConvertKit for up to 1,000 subscribers. Kasama sa plan na to ang basic email marketing features like unlimited landing pages at forms. Next ay ang Creator Plan. Starting at $29 a month, kasama dito ang advanced email marketing and automation features tulad ng subscriber tagging at segmentation. Ang Pro Plan naman starts at $59 per month. Dito, mas marami pang advanced features ang makukuha mo, like Facebook custom audiences, newsletter, referral system, at priority support. Ideal to for businesses that need in-depth analytics and enhanced marketing tools. Pero kung gusto mong i-check out at subukan ng paid plan for free, you can click the link in the description to get a 14-day trial. Ang pricing ng ConvertKit allows business to choose a plan that fits their current needs while providing the flexibility to upgrade as they grow. Heads up lang, pwedeng tumaas ang cost dito as you add more subscribers or require more advanced features. To get started with ConvertKit, i-click ang link sa description. Dito pwede mong i-explore ang iba't ibang plans o start with free plan. Click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your name, email address, and password. Kailangan mo rin magbigay ng ilang basic info about your business. Once you've filled out the required fields, i-click mo lang and get started. In summary, parehong powerful na email marketing platforms ang Flodesk at ConvertKit, but they cater to different needs. Ang Flodesk ay perfect for users na mas priority ang simplicity at design, while ConvertKit offers more comprehensive set of features, making it a better choice for content creators and businesses that need advanced automation, segmentation, and reporting tools. Sana nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to. Huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe so you don't miss another YouTube video. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping startups and small businesses grow with all the tools and insights you need. Salamat sa panonood at magkita-kita tayo sa next video.